Hey girls and guys,
This is episode 3, sorry, and this is episode 4, sorry, and this is recorded on 4th of July, so hope you're having a good day, and hope you will enjoy the fireworks tonight, if you're into fireworks, and, we are playing Home Tycoon 2018. Right now, she is logged into her account, and I am right by her with my gun.
Please don't shoot me.
I'm not gonna shoot you, but next time don't come to my house without my permission.
Okay, I'm going to my house. You can follow me if you want. I'm just gonna hop the fence.
I don't like it when people go to my house without my permission because that's rude. Bad manners makes for bad guests. Totally didn't copy that from someone. Totally. Now what?
I'm gonna go see how much money I'm collecting right now.
I can check for you. I mean, I'm already at your house. It's $8,600.
Okay.
Well, money, whatever. Oh, hi, how you doing? Hey, oh wait, that's not you. It's a jerk. I'll shoot you.
Really? Why are they shooting me? I didn't do nothing.
This person trying to shoot me with their waffle. No, there's not even a waffle gun.
The game is lagging. Sorry guys if it's being so weird.
Get back up!
But
Fine, forget me.
come on, let's attack people.
But my waffle gun doesn't do any damage. They just shoot them in the faces.
But I got my gun too.
I don't want to shoot people. It's too hard because I'm on the phone. It's hard to get.
I hope you guys are having a good 4th of July.
Manners. Don't shoot me. I didn't shoot you.
I hope you guys are having a really good 4th of July.
Woo, beautiful fun. And if you're having a bad day, remember to hug yourself because I get whenever I hug myself, I just wonder why you can even hug yourself and other things. So remember that.
This girl just started her house.
Oh my god. It looks better than mine. It's number 3. Hey, dude. Dude. Bug.
Come on.
Back home. Come back in. You butt McFagger. Why do you always leave me?
I don't know.
Is it because I'm not your family anymore?
No.
Is that it? Is that? I guess I'll leave. No. Goodbye.
Don't leave me. Seriously, please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't.
But I need to check on my money.
Okay, let's go check on your monies.
Okay, let's see. 6,000, something, blah, blah.
That guy needs to get away from here.
I'm gonna sit on my bench.
I want a thing where we could lock our houses.
Yes, we need that. Like in every
only
other
the people we want.
In every other tycoon I have had, we have been able to lock our doors.
Yes.
But in this one, you can't lock anything. I'm going to my pool.
Okay. I'll join you.
Whee! Pool time! So fun. Okay, hey, how you doing? Oh, I'm doing just fine. I'm dying. So, she's gonna go get something real quick, so
I'll be right back,
won't be
guys.
talking. So, I'll be the star of the show for now. Let me just turn towards you guys and walk towards you guys. I'm not in the camera view anymore. Sorry, honey. This sucks. This thing sucks. I'm playing on my phone because we only have one computer. And I'm used to playing on a computer, so that's why if my characters acting all strange and stuff, that's because I'm on phone and I don't know how to freaking use this. Okay. Hello world! Welcome to this video. Why am I doing this? Oh, I don't know. Maybe because I want to do this, huh? Ooh. Okay, so I gotta make sure you guys still have some attention. Oh, never mind, you're back. I'm back. Okay. And I was trying to keep them busy, so I did like a weird intro thing. But like, I did it because yeah. Why did I say but like twice? Oh, maybe because teenagers, even though I'm not one, always say like.
Like our sister. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean, bro?
Yo! Hey, I opened my door so you could... let me open the window.
Thank you.
Hi.
I want to go in your game room.
How dare you?
Can I play on the computer? Yay! I can play on the computer.
The screen is black. You're not playing anything.
I know, but I'm just acting like I am.
Get off. Get off. This is my room.
Okay.
I'll shoot you with this. How did I get this in my hand? I got a can of Bloxy in my hand.
You're mean.
What?
You're mean.
How?
'Cause.
I didn't kick you out of my house.
Yes, you did.
No, I said get out of my room.
Boy!
I never kicked you out of my house.
Look how much I'm getting. I have 11,000, 600, 700.
You know what I have? I have this Bloxy can that I got in my hand somehow. I'm gonna go inside your house and there's nothing you can. I go inside your house?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I'm just gonna be going around in the neighborhood and shooting people because
Shooting
are rude.
people.
Yeah.
Okay, you do
I feel
you.
bad for the people who are starting this game
Why?
because
People might make fun of them?
no. Well, yeah, a lot of people do.
Where'd you go?
I'm shooting people down.
Wait, which way did you go? Are you going to the end of the place? Yeah, you are. Okay, I'm coming towards you, so don't be surprised.
Okay. You're halfway there, aren't you?
Yeah. Almost there. As you can see, I'm right there. I am so far away. I jumped over you without pressing the button. Oh my god, that's so cool.
Okay, now let's go back.
Are you serious? So I did this for nothing.
I just like doing this stuff for fun.
Hey, you know,
I hope you guys like this series because it's a lot of fun.
you don't see me. What the heck?
I know it's your house and that looks
But
Boy.
Clown,
Boy,
you have what?
look.
What you say?
I hate how people do that. Just let it grow on its own. Please.
Oh, hi, my
Wow.
name is. Oh, he's wearing the same shirt as me. Oh, ugly clown. No friends, clown.
Look, I hate how they just like jump up and down on it. It's like, but
I'll jump on it.
just let, they always do this to collect money, but that's
That
longer,
just gives.
that's a shorter way. No, that's a longer way to get your money.
I'm gonna check
But
out my monies.
But if you do some stuff and go around the neighborhood and check out everyone's
I have
houses,
$8,000 so far. I'm gonna continuously let it grow.
who's on the top? Who's on the top?
Me.
Yep, you're on the top. I'm in second still.
That looked weird. That's why you gotta let your money grow, because then you could be on the top, or you could be second, or you could be third. And that's actually pretty good. Hey, you left me for the 2 billionth time. You know you're right there.
What should we do?
Do I know?
Should we?
Okay, guys, there's going to be a part 2 to this, but we're going to be playing another game. And it's going to be real soon. It's going to be right after this video. Okay? Okay. Okay, bye!